Just arriving at our Saturday job. We normally come here twice a year, once in the summer and once in the autumn or nearly winter. That's Mikey getting onto the truck. He's just taking off the most important tool we have, the chair.
Did you say you got a stone for it? Yeah. Only because I'm going to hire one. I'm going to buy one.
No time for sitting down. Right, it's time to get the tools ready. Make sure they're all full up with fuel and grease them up. Short, medium and long. We always like to start at the front and work our way around. If we have to set the ladders up on tarmac, it's good to support each other, make sure the ladders don't slide. We like to have a chat while we're clearing up and a little bit of quiet time about the tools running, give our ears a rest.
This is me and Mikey's talk time in between the noise.
Or this one will be going to compost at the yard.
No, this will go to the tip.
Tip.
I'll pick this bag up soon and take it to the truck. Don't want the bag to be too heavy.
We cannot use this one for compost.
No, really. Well, you can, but
It's not good.
it's not very good for compost, the polypod.
We always like to clear up as we're working round. I've never been a fan of doing all the trimming and then going all the way around again to pick up all the debris. I cut this one so we can get the truck up and down the drive without any interference.
I've only been working 15 minutes and it's time for tea already.
Always good when you find a customer that makes good tea. This customer certainly did. That is the lawn, nothing wrong with the camera. Customer sprayed the lawn with glyphosate. It's going to give the lawn a good scarifying and reseed later on in the year. There's Pensy Ree, my wife, helping me. She's also the one who's taken most of the video footage to make this video. So this is the finished job. This takes 2 of us 1 day. I've come in here for 5 seasons now. Even though we're getting older and our bodies aren't quite so fit, we are getting more efficient. I hope this grass is looking better this time next year. There's a patch of lawn the customer's already seeded.
Time to go home now. Bye-bye.
Start again, start again.
Time to go home now. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Michael.
Bye-bye, Michael.
See you next video.
See you in the next video.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.